हेलो आदाब नमस्ते, वेलकम टू इंडियाज बिजनेस लेजेंड्स।
Like how we walk.
And you're using AI for this.
And I have developed serious games for managing acute watery diarrhea.
And आपने कितना इन्वेस्ट किया इसमें?
I have invested around, I can say, closer.
ये मैम फ्रूट कैरी केस है.
So what inspired you to start it?
So I was building race cars earlier, and this is when I lost one of the friends. 80% of the deaths which happen due to heart attacks, we can actually prevent them.
Hi Vindhya, I still have a very interesting idea here for the safety of women. We are an app-based, women-centric mobility solution.
तो आपके दो यार दोस्त जो कहीं विदेश में भी बैठे हैं या कहीं फोन में भी बैठे थे, कैन बी इन योर वेडिंग विदाउट एक्चुअली गोइंग देयर.
How long did it take? Hi, welcome to India's Business Legends. You're doing something very interesting for the environment.
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
So we are into sustainable protective packaging, mainly trying to replace plastic bubble wraps, thermocol, foam. So wherever anyone has to ship a product, right, it has to reach safely to their customers.
Correct.
And there needs to be a layer of protection to that. So we come in that layer of protection in an eco-friendly way, trying to protect the environment while catering to our customers so they can make their products reach safely to their customers.
Very interesting.
Right.
So how long have you been operational?
Yeah, we've been in operation for about 4 years now. We're a Startup India registered entity and based out of Navi Mumbai, and cater pan-India and globally.
How much did you invest in this?
That I would like to refrain from numbers, but yes, it's a capex intensive business wherein you continuously have to put in your energies and money to be able to grow at that scale. And yes, that's what it is.
And how much did it take to reach the first crore in terms of turnover?
How much time I take?
How much time did it take?
We took about a year and a half.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to India's Business Legends. आपके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे हैं, कुछ एंशिएंट विजडम पर बेस्ड है शायद.
जी हाँ.
तो बताइए इनके बारे में.
Ma'am, nowadays we are facing so many problems for the food choice and selections. तो हमने उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की है. फूड विद द मेडिसिन कंसेप्ट के साथ ये प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आए हैं जो एंशिएंट विजडम से इंस्पायर्ड हैं, और हमने कोई एक सिंगल कैटेगरी में काम ना करके एक पूरी ब्रॉड रेंज हमने दी है ये कंज्यूमर के लिए. एंड हमारा बेंचमार्क है 18th सेंचुरी फूड वर्ल्ड. सो वॉट एवर इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमने यूज़ किए हैं दे आर बेस्ड ऑन 18th सेंचुरी सिलेक्शंस. इसमें आज के समय में यूज़ होने वाली वाइट शुगर, वाइट सॉल्ट, प्रिजर्वेटिव, पॉम ऑयल, ये सब चीज़ें हमने इससे माइनस करके प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए. इनको जीरो नेस्टीज भी बोल सकते हैं. मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग ड्रिंक्स भी हैं, स्नैक्स भी हैं, माउथ फ्रेशनर्स भी हैं, वेलनेस हाउस भी हैं, कॉस्मेटिक्स भी हैं. इस तरह से हमने पूरी रेंज कवर की. 100% नेचुरल.
Okay. I can see some seeds also in it.
सीड्स हैं, सौंफ हैं. ये बचपन में दादी नानी का कभी कोई टेस्ट याद आ सकता है आपको इसको खाने से. तो सच काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. इसी में एक हमारा ये एसिडिटी के लिए भी आता है, अजवाइन से बना हुआ है. तो इसमें अजवाइन को लेमन में सोक किया हुआ है हमने, उससे बना हुआ है. सीड्स और वो है इसमें, बहुत माइल्ड हो गया है. ऐसी हमारी एक वैदिक कॉफ़ी आती है.
Okay.
ये कैफीन फ्री है. कैफीन फ्री कॉफ़ी आपने शायद ही सुनी होगी.
नहीं सुनी है.
ये डेट्स और चिकोरी से बनी हुई है. तो 100% नेचुरल है ये. और कैफीन वाला जो एक डिसएडवांटेज होता है बॉडी को, उससे बचा लेगी है अपने.
Okay.
तो आपको टेस्ट कैफीन हो गया, लेकिन वैल्यूज जो है नेचुरल मिल गई हैं.
Very nice.
तो इस तरह के यूनिक प्रोडक्ट्स में ही हम काम करते हैं. जैसे फाइबर फ्यूल है, ये बॉडी के फाइबर लेवल को बढ़ाने के लिए. जैसे बच्चे सब्जियां नहीं खाते हैं, अब फाइबर भेजना है बॉडी में, हम 2000-5000 का डब्बा लेके आते हैं. सो इट्स ए फाइबर, नेचुरल फाइबर्स हैं इसमें. बादाम है, डेट्स हैं, इसबगोल है, इस तरह की चीज़ें. आप इसको दूध में डाल दें, आप फाकी ले लें, सलाड्स में डाल दें टॉपिंग करके, जूसेस में डाल दें. एनीवे यू कैन सेंड इट टू द बॉडी. क्योंकि बहुत नेचुरल है, इसमें कोई टेस्ट ऐसा ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, हल्का सा माइल्ड स्वीटनेस है. तो बच्चों को भी पसंद आता है. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें हम लोग बना रहे हैं. ये एक हमने फेस क्रीम बनाया है. इट्स कम्प्लीटली मेड विद घी, एलोवेरा
Oh, nice.
और प्लस सेफ्रॉन एंड कॉपर एंड मड, इन सब
Okay.
5-7 चीज़ों से मिलके ये 100% नेचुरल है। ये स्किन की लास्ट लेयर तक चला जाएगा ये, और अंदर से ग्लो देगा हमको। हम
Nice.
इतने महंगे कॉस्मेटिक्स लगा के भी एक एज के बाद हम लोग रोक नहीं पाते अपनी,
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू।
उस स्किन को टोनिंग सही करेगा, हर
हम्म।
तरीके की स्किन पे सेट होगा, क्योंकि बॉडी हमारी घी से ही बनी हुई है। वसा जिसको फैट हम
हम्म।
बोलते हैं वो है, कॉपर है, पानी है, तो वही सब इसमें है, तो बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब इसको पूरा करती है। तो इस तरह के यूनिक प्रोडक्ट्स पे हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं। 100 से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स हैं हमारे।
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। आप कितने साल से ऑपरेशनल हैं?
वैसे हम लोग इस पर्टिकुलर स्टार्टअप में 4 साल से हैं, बाकी हम 25 साल से फूड लाइन में हैं। वी आर 4th जनरेशन इन आयुर्वेदा। सो ये सब चीज़ें आपको इसमें देखने को मिलेगी। फूड विद द रीजन हम आपको कह सकते हैं। यू कैन आस्क एनी प्रोडक्ट ये क्यों खाऊं, वी हैव अ आंसर।
और आपने इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया होगा?
इट्स मोर देन करोड़ रुपीज मैम।
और फर्स्ट करोड़ कब बनाया आपने? कितना टाइम लगा?
इट्स टेक टाइम। अभी तो इट्स स्टिल वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग ऑन दीज ऑल थिंग्स, बट रिसेंटली हमें यूएस गवर्नमेंट का जो बड़ा शो है नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स का एनाहाम में, वहाँ हम लोग सिलेक्ट हुए थे। सो गवर्नमेंट के सपोर्ट से हम लोगों ने वहाँ भी एग्जिबिट किया है, एंड दिस वे वी आर वर्किंग ऑन। स्टार्टअप से भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट है हमको।
तो आपको क्या इंस्पायर करता है चलते रहने के लिए जब चीजें स्लो चलती हैं?
ईश्वर से बड़ी कोई चीज़ नहीं है। आपकी भावनाएं सही हैं, काम करने की इच्छा सही है, सो यू आर फ्लाइंग बियॉन्ड द ग्रेविटी फोर्स। कोई आपको नीचे नहीं खींच सकता है।
ट्रू।
दैट इज द पॉइंट।
चलिए, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थॉट।
या
ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच।
you.
या मोस्ट वेलकम।
Hello, welcome to India's Business Legends.
Thank you so much.
I see something very interesting related
Yes.
to washrooms here.
Yes,
What exactly are you doing?
we are a toilet marketplace for toilet owner, user, and cleaners.
Okay.
So this is the ecosystem we have designed. So toilet owner can actually maintain the hygiene of the washroom, but still reduce the cost of maintenance. Toilet user can find a safe and hygienic washroom, especially women. But
Right.
the cleaner get a social and financial dignity. That is our ecosystem does it. We are physical and digital. Digitally, we are in 10,000 pin codes. 100,000 toilets are certified by us, and they are using the benefit. Most important thing, the cleaners of this toilet are getting, social and financial dignity. Our physical model is actually a retail model, which is actually creating employment opportunity for, janitors and who are jobless recently. At the same time, women can find a washroom. This is a retailified. We call it powder room. That's a smart washroom for the new
Very
India.
interesting. And what was the inspiration behind it?
My daughter wanted to go to US and never come back because she couldn't find a washroom. I'm a retail expert. I'm ex-Walmart, ex-Shopper Stop. So I promised her I can help her find a washroom entire world. We are digital and physical. We can geotag. Now
Very interesting.
our Loo Discovery model goes worldwide and help a woman find a washroom when she needs it. That is the inspiration. I wanted to provide a hygiene dignity to every woman of India and social dignity and financial dignity for at least 500,000 janitors across India.
And
We want to be the global capital of toilets. India has to be a global capital of toilets. That's our vision and mission.
that's a great dream, I must say. And how much did you invest in it?
My own money, 4 crores. We have raised funding, 1.5 million so far. Looking out for a 5 million round now. We work with government and mostly Indian Oil, Railways, Municipal Corporation, NHAI, and multiple government tourism. And we are setting up these powder rooms so 10,000 powder rooms in next 5 years
Very
across
nice.
India. And the whole vision is this. Yes, exactly that. We want to impact tourism, health and hygiene, hospitality. Most important thing, every citizen can be positively impacted. So
Right.
our impact is our valuation.
And how much time did it take you to reach your first crore in terms of turnover?
3 years of thinking, no revenue. Last 8 months, we did 5 crores. We will be doing around 50 crores next year, 150 crores a year after that.
What kept you going in those 3 years when there was no revenue?
Instinct, passion, and resilience. And support of my family. The entire family works with us. My son, my daughter, my wife. We are fashionistas, global fashionistas. We work globally with Armani's and Dior's, but this is fun.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Go bindas bolu hai na. Please download the app. You can find a washroom. You're a journalist.
For
the problem
sure.
is acute for you. Just scan the
I'm
QR
definitely
code.
going to be using this.
Yeah, scan the QR code and
Sure.
find a washroom anywhere. Spread the word is important.
We're doing
Thank you
that.
so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Hi, welcome to India's Business Legends.
Thank you.
So what are you doing here?
We are a 2-year-old startup, Nutrio. We've launched 48 different products in this 2-year time. A lot of our products are made in different countries like Vietnam, Dubai, etc. And then we've rebranded in our own name and sell it in India. So these are very high quality products that we've managed to achieve massive sales of in the last 1.5 years time that we've been in the market with the products. So here we are at Startup Mahakumbh looking for investors and looking for people who will be interested in scaling this up.
How much money did you invest in it?
So far we've invested about 8 crores of our own capital, and then now we're looking to raise more capital.
Right. And how much time did it take you to reach your first crore in terms of turnover?
We were very fast. In 18 months, we've done almost 16 crores of sales. So the first 2 months, 3 months itself, we were able to do 1 crore of sales. And now it's, of course, a very steady kind of sales have started happening in a lot of places.
So what's the biggest challenge when you're catering to a premium market? Because these are premium products.
Sure. So premium market is very defragmented right now in India. There are many channels to buy from. You can buy from quick commerce platforms, you can buy from online platforms, you can even buy from large format modern stores. So the premium buyers are all segregated. And it's not easy for a startup to reach all the platforms in one go.
Right.
So we are focusing on general trade right now, and then we'll move to modern trade and then to quick commerce platform.
That's very interesting. All the best for your venture.
Thank you
and I hope you do get the investors that you were looking for.
I hope so too. We've spent 2-3 days here, and so far we've had some meetings, etc. But we'll see how it goes in the future.
Awesome. All the best. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Hi, welcome to India's Business Legends.
Thank you.
Viewers, we have with us Niharika from Marceline, and she's from Jhansi. So let's ask her what she's doing here at Startup Mahakumbh.
Hi, very happy to be here at Startup Mahakumbh. We were actually sent here by the DPIIT department, so we got this spot for free to talk about our brand here at the world stage. So I'm extremely excited to be here and pitching my brand Marceline here to this very, very varied audience.
So what exactly is Marceline about?
Sure. So Marceline is a body care brand. We are trying to make body care fun for adults. Every product is Indian ingredient focused. Each product has an Indian ingredient at its core, and we've tried to modernize it, internationalize it. The entire packaging is reusable, recyclable. Everything is sulfate, phthalate, paraben free. Mom and kids can use it. We've played with textures, fragrances, presentation, longevity, and yeah, that's what we're trying to build.
Very interesting.
At prices where people can repeatedly purchase.
Oh, very interesting. So how long have you guys been operational?
Well, technically, digitally we launched last year in May, so it's going to be about a year this year.
And how much did you invest in starting this company?
It's been a journey. Some years it's some amount, I would say on an average 50 to 60 lakhs definitely.
And are you almost there at break even, or have you reached your first crore?
So we've broken even, yeah, and
Awesome.
we're going towards positivity, positive cash flow now, which is extremely exciting. It's been a rough journey, and hopefully it's going to be smooth sailing from here.
That's very interesting. What keeps you going when the going is tough?
Well, as they say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So if it's going tough, I know it's going to get better very soon. I come from a business family, so this is what I've seen, the uncertainty, the chaos, the learnings, implementing, building your team, taking care of your staff. And that's what I resonate with. So it just naturally comes to me. I don't know how to do anything else. I did a job previously, which was great, but I find this more fulfilling because it is my true purpose, beauty and fashion and all of that. And I'm very happy to build something in that space and call it my own.
That's very interesting. All the best for your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Hi, welcome to India's Business Legends. And tell us what your company is about.
So my company is about Dalchini. We are into smart vending machines. We have developed this technology of smart vending machines with which you can sell anything, anytime, anywhere. Basically, these are ATMs of snacks, beverages, beauty and personal care product, books, stationery. So basically anything can be sold through these vending machines. And we have deployed these vending machines mostly into factories, offices, hospitals, colleges, metro stations, malls, etc.
Right. And what are you doing at Startup Mahakumbh?
So we are displaying this innovation of ours. These are India's first vending machines which can even dispense rajma chawal to vada pav to samosa, kachori. So you would have seen vending machine dispensing water, biscuit, chips, etc. These are innovative vending machine developed especially for India. So that is why we are here at Startup Mahakumbh.
So did you find any investors?
We are a company who has already raised funding, and we have this year, in fact, in 2025, we reached profitable also. Yeah, we already have VC investors, but yes, there are a lot of investors, possible connects that we made. A lot of people came in for inquiry because they wanted to take these vending machines into their own cities, in their own offices, etc.
And how long did it take you to reach the first crore in terms of turnover?
So our first crore happened in about 2 years, but I think after that now we do roughly 8 crore monthly business.
That's amazing. And when the growth is slow, like you said, it took you 2 years. How do you keep going?
So in fact, I would say first 2 years we were bootstrapped, and we were working on our technology. It is easier to develop software, but we were working on hardware, so it took a lot of time to modify, innovate this technology, because we wanted to launch a product which was truly made for India.
Right.
And hence it took us initial 2 years time to make the product workable in India. But after that it was no looking back, because then we started getting more and more clients who wanted to put something like this.
Right.
So today I can say that we are among the top 100 listed companies in India. At least 40% of them use our vending machine, from Reliance to Adani, IBM, Wipro, EY, Deloitte. A lot of these companies use our vending machine into their offices, factories, etc.
That's really amazing, and thank you so much for your time. All the best for your journey.
Thank you.